loaded onto my mat. I am using a fabric mat, as it's the only mat I've got at the moment that's got strong tack. You can use your standard mats, but I've got to retack mine, so they're not really up to the job right now. Okay, so basically, yes, you can use your standard mat with CM models of the machine. So I'm going to retrieve the design from Wi-Fi, which is where I sent it from. And I've got the design there, but just to make sure everything's positioned correctly, I'm going to scan a preview of the sheet with the bits on. So that's going through. Back it comes. And we can then see that everything is where it needs to be. So we click OK, choose cut. And you might want to do a test. And if you need to increase anything here, you can increase the cut pressure, cut speed. But I'm going to leave everything on auto for now because I'm using an SDX model. You will need to do a couple of test cuts with your CM models, but I'm just going to send that off to cut. Okay, the cutting has finished, so okay, unload mat, then we can take it out and start removing the craft X. There we go, beautifully cut. Now, let's just try and do this with one hand. Now when you've got it off the mat, there's a couple of things you're going to want to do. You're going to want to scrunch it up. And keep re-scrunching and scrunching and scrunching and scrunching and battering it and shoving it into things and doing whatever you can to distress it. This is what's going to give us that leather look that we wanted from this material. Once you've finished scrunching,